In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Amazon's messaging controls and how to stop promotional emails without affecting important account or order updates. Start by opening your web browser and going to do.amazon.com. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser as the layout is clearer for account settings. If you're not already signed in, Amazon may prompt you to log in before you can change preferences. Next, look to the upper right corner of the page for the Account and Lists menu. Click it to open your account area. This is your hub for orders, addresses, and the communication settings we're after. Inside your account, locate the section called Communication and Content. Amazon groups all messaging and content-related choices here, so it's the right place to fine-tune what you receive. Click into Communication and Content to continue. Now, choose Communication Preferences. This page controls how Amazon reaches you about marketing, recommendations, and other non-essential messages. Think of it as your central switchboard for promotional contact. Within Communication Preferences, select General Settings. General Settings help you manage broad categories rather than one-off subscriptions, which is perfect if you want a quick, sweeping change. From General Settings, click Email. Even if you receive mobile notifications, Amazon's marketing messages often arrive by email, so this is the most impactful place to reduce noise. Finally, check the box that says you want to stop receiving all Amazon marketing communications. When you enable this, Amazon will stop sending promotional emails like deals, newsletters, and personalized product suggestions. This change does not affect transactional messages you still need, such as order confirmations, shipping updates, delivery alerts, password or security notices, and critical account information. Those important emails will continue so you don't miss anything essential. In many cases, your preference saves automatically once the box is checked. If you see a confirmation message or a status indicator change, that's your sign the update has taken effect. If the layout in your region looks slightly different, the names are usually very similar, so follow the same path. Account and Lists, then Communication and Content, Communication Preferences, General Settings, Email, and the Opt-out checkbox. That's it. You've turned off Amazon's marketing notifications and kept the crucial messages intact. If you ever change your mind, come back to the same email settings and uncheck the box to resume promotional communications. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your inbox.